DeepSeek because it is mind-blowing.
We should take the development out of China very, very seriously.
Their model is actually the top performing, or roughly on par with the best American models.
If the United States can't lead in this technology, we're going to be in a very bad place geopolitically.
See, in January 20th, China just came into the AI race and it was a big bang, and most of the tech CEOs are mind blown, and most of the US tech CEOs are still thinking what literally just happened, because China just built a very competing open source AI model, DeepSeek, and DeepSeek is an immediate rival to OpenAI. And for the last few days, I have been tinkering around DeepSeek, and I can't imagine the accuracy, and more than the accuracy, it's an open source model, meaning you can view, build, tweak around the tools, you can build, and it already have APIs, you can build tools on top of that. And the important fact is, this is at a much cheaper rate.
If a model like DeepSeek can emerge with competitive performance, minimal cost, and reliance on existing outputs, it signals a rapidly shrinking barrier to entry in AI development, challenging the current dominance of industry leaders like OpenAI and Google and Anthropic and Meta, by the way.
DeepSeek have built the entire tool in 2 months with 6 million. To help you put things into perspective, OpenAI is funded with 6 billion and they have 4,500 employees. Now DeepSeek have 200 employees and their funding is 6 million, and a Chinese hedge fund manager is the founder of DeepSeek. See guys, just think about this. US has been doing all kind of sanctions to make sure that China doesn't come into the AI race by blocking a lot of semiconductors and whatnot. Now, with the arrival of DeepSeek, most of the global tech stocks are impacted. Just look at some of the stock numbers. Most of them have plummeted. Now, with the arrival of DeepSeek, the entry barrier to AI have just gone down drastically, especially because OpenAI charges somewhere around $20 to $200, while DeepSeek is just charging $6. That itself shows how cheap it is. And in the coming days and months, we're going to see a lot of use cases in the YouTube itself. And even data shows that DeepSeek output is much better than ChatGPT. It's more human, it's more deep, it's more accurate, etc. See, once again, Chinese have overcome a huge barrier and they have made their message clear. And to make things more interesting, it's very interesting to look at DeepSeek's arrival date. It's on Jan 20th. They have launched on the same day of when Donald Trump came into the White House. Let's see what happens. There's a famous Harvard Business Review study about the Chinese, and the report majorly talks about Chinese lack innovation, they're not innovators, etc. Now, after a few decades, look what they have done. And I personally have tried DeepSeek, and I'm still using, and soon I'm going to do a deep dive on DeepSeek and explain DeepSeek in detail. A few days ago, I made a video on ChatGPT's operator, which I'll just leave the link on top. But DeepSeek is on a whole new another level, and I think soon they're going to have new releases, which is going to be mind-blowing for sure. So thank you for watching, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like this video if you like it, and subscribe for more such videos.